Skills and knowledge are the driving force of the economic growth and social development of any country. Our country is today at the cusp of a demographic opportunity, with more than 62% of its population in the working age group and more than 54% of its population below 25 years of age. We believe it's about time to recognize and cultivate the potential of the youth of our country by imparting them with skills which are employable. To achieve this, the Government of India has established a full-fledged Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Under the aegis of Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, also referred as MSDE, the training and skill development infrastructure gets renewed focus, the result of which is, as of today, we have 13,000 industrial training institutes, 40 sector skill councils developed, 4,000 training centers, and a target of imparting skills to 12 million people by the end of 2016. MSDE has also launched Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, a flagship scheme that aims to skill and certify 24 lakh youth in the country. And this is just the beginning. Additionally, multifaceted schemes like UDAN, Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushal Yojana, National Urban Livelihood Mission, and many more under the Government of India together will ensure maximum utilization of infrastructure. In our endeavor to make India the skill capital of the world, we are not alone. The corporate industry has also reciprocated quite positively towards this emblematic initiative. A case in point in this fruitful partnership is TVS Training and Services Limited, a company that undertakes technical and managerial industrial training for personnel, enabling them to perform better in their jobs and contribute to productivity. This effort by TVS Training and Services resulted in an estimated revenue growth of 40%.
Another case in point is Swarna Bharat Soma Institute of Technical Training in Nellore, established in association with Andhra Bank, which aims to provide technical skills to the rural youth and help them become employable.
Apart from the corporates, we also have some of the eminent PSUs successfully contributing to the Skill India mission through CSR. We at Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship believe that skilling and entrepreneurship go hand in hand. Skill training initiatives need to create a pool of job seekers and job creators to propel economic growth.
The industry can also be a part of this initiative, either by setting up a corporate skill center in public-private partnership mode, by supporting an already operational model skill development center, or utilize apprenticeship reform to scale up apprenticeship up to 10% of total workforce in the company.
Furthermore, this collaboration also allows the industry to get substantial financial incentives. So let's realize the need and importance of skills, and together, let's aim at transforming India into a global hub for skilled employees.